Tom loves music. He plays the guitar every day. His guitar is very old, but Tom loves it very much. The guitar is special. His grandfather gave it to him. Tom always says, "This guitar is my best friend." It's Saturday morning. The weather is perfect. The sun is shining brightly. Tom wants to play outside. He takes his guitar to the park. Tom is excited. He thinks it's going to be a wonderful day. Tom sits under a big tree. He opens his guitar case. He starts playing softly. People smile when they hear him. A little girl dances. An old man claps. Tom feels very happy. He thinks, "I love sharing my music." Tom takes a short break. He puts the guitar on the grass. He walks to the fountain. He drinks some water. Then he walks back to the tree. But something is wrong. His guitar is not there. His guitar case is empty. "Oh no!" Tom shouts. "My guitar is gone." Tom runs around the park. He asks many people, "Did you see my guitar?" "No, sorry," says a woman. "I didn't," says a man. Tom checks behind benches. He checks near bushes. He checks the playground. But he cannot find his guitar. Tom feels worried. He thinks, "I can't lose my best friend." Tom sits down on a bench. He feels very sad. Then a little boy comes to Tom. The boy has big, bright eyes. He is holding a small puppy. "What's wrong?" asks the boy. Tom says, "I lost my guitar. It was a gift from my grandfather." The boy thinks for a moment. Then he smiles and says, "My puppy is very good at finding things. Ree will help you." Tom smiles a little. "Thank you," he says softly. The little boy and his puppy run around the tree. Tom follows them slowly. Suddenly, the puppy barks loudly. He is looking behind the big tree. "Come quick!" shouts the boy. Tom runs fast. His guitar is lying in the tall grass. It is safe and not hurt at all. Tom feels very happy. "Oh, thank you so much," Tom says. "You and your puppy saved my guitar." Tom picks up his guitar. He smiles brightly. "Can you play something?" asks the boy. "Of course," Tom says. He plays a cheerful song. The boy and the puppy dance. Other people gather around again. They clap and smile. Tom thinks, this really is a wonderful day. It is getting late. Tom is ready to go home. He says to the boy, "You helped me today. What song would you like next time?" The boy says quickly, "A song about my puppy." Tom laughs. "I promise. Next week, I will play a song just for you and your puppy." "Yay!" says the boy. Tom walks home slowly. He holds his guitar tightly. He feels warm and happy. Tom starts humming a new song. It is about a small boy and his helpful puppy. He thinks, "I'm so lucky to have my guitar, and now new friends too."